Looks like we found a pizza topping bandit.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Columbus, Ohio. Check her out.
No, put that back. That is mine.
I know, I'm playing with yours.
No, put the shoes down.
Yes, ma'am.
No, we're gonna have a problem. Get the fuck away from my door.
Okay,
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, I don't know what
Do not come back here.
Grove City, Ohio. Looks like they messed that car up pretty bad. Now they're running off. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Who's this guy?
Hey, is Peekaboo here? Is Peekaboo here? Peekaboo. Okay, sorry.
Peekaboo. Get lost! Chicago, Illinois. It's wintertime again, so beware that black ice.
Oh, baby. You okay? Girl.
Johnston, Rhode Island. Looks like these trick-or-treaters are going around grabbing packages instead of candy.
We're all holding the package while they give them their package, thinking they're gonna open the door. They didn't open the door for Zadiel. Yo.
Hey, come back with that package. A Doorbell News viewer sent this video in. Check it out. Looks like he's doing the cha-cha slide. What is that door made out of plywood or something? Look how easy it was for them to kick it open. Jackson, Mississippi. Check this guy out.
But if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Better have that Second Amendment ready. So this wizard is doing some wizard level trick-or-treating. Hey, you was only supposed to take one, lady. Talladega, California. Check this guy out.
Get the fuck off my property.
Sacramento, California. This is why you need to keep your doors locked at all times.
Get out of my house! What the hell?
Oh God, thank you.
in someone's house. What the hell?
Get lost!
Yeah, freaking tweaking, bro.
Burlington, Vermont. So this guy pulls in a neighbor's driveway and tries to take his dirt bike. They think he's the same guy who took their other dirt bike. Let's see what happens.
Hey! What are you doing? You're the dirt bike you stole?
Jackson, Mississippi.
Bring your ass on,
You are currently being recorded.
Looks like we got an angry neighbor here.
Try to lock these in there, mother.
I don't want to be this guy's neighbor. He seems pretty upset.
So sick of this motherfucker, man. So sick of this nigga, man. Man, this shit. Bitch. Bring your ass out here. Come on!
No, I'm with shit. I'm with whatever.
Meanwhile, in Burlington,
My little brother. It's my brother who was here. Not lying about shit. Alright, cops are on their way. Hey, you calling you back? Wait, nice job, dude. Hey, don't keep pulling your car on someone else's property. Especially when you're trying to get your stolen shit. Keep going. Keep talking. Get the out of here. Took the plate off the front, put it on the back, so the cameras wouldn't see it. Go.
That is correct. And now he's pulling on the right way.
Go yourself. Oh, you're coming back tonight? All right. Good.
He just said he's going to come back tonight now. The plate number was KNM.
KM.
One second.
Beef.
He's driving.
Miami, Florida. Looks like we got a trio of trick-or-treaters here.
Hi. Wait, I gotta ask him a question.
Leave a message at the beep.
You're in Florida, right? And you have bulls here. And this really doesn't make sense. Let's go straight to the chase. How are you gonna leave bulls in Florida? Now?
Woodside, New York. Check her out. She takes a package full of dog food, and when she realizes dog food, she just throws it all around the neighborhood. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.